The River Valley Garden Club is having its annual plant sale this Saturday to highlight the beginning of gardening season. Joining us this morning to talk about this exciting event is Susan. Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
Thank you for joining us this morning on Hometown Living.
We're happy to be here and promote the garden club and our plant sale.
Yeah, so Susan, talk to us more about the garden club and what it is.
Well, the garden club is a group of people that come from Indiana and Michigan that are interested in gardening and plants. So it's a fairly diverse group. We have some men as members, but it's mostly women, and they meet once a month. Sometimes we go on field trips, sometimes we have lectures, sometimes we do workshops, and every year we do this big plant sale. And we have around 100 members.
Wow.
So it is a lot of different people. They come from different areas. Some people are from the area. They've never lived anywhere else. Some of us are transplants, and even some temporary people that are living in the area, but they love plants and they like to garden.
Yeah, and what makes this annual plant sale, so special?
Well, all the plants have been grown locally, so they're climate specific. They like the weather in Southwest Michigan. Sometimes I have had it happen where I bought a plant at a store and it was actually brought in from someplace like Florida or Texas. And sometimes they don't like the climate. And so they look great in the store, and then you bring them home and you put them in the ground.
Right.
They're not so happy. Yeah. So these plants have all been raised locally, so they're familiar with the weather, the amount of sun, the cold, the heat, and so on.
Yeah, and you mentioned, like putting them in the ground and gardening. So someone who may not be familiar with that, walk us through gardening and why should they still come out to something like this?
Well, for one thing, we divide all the plants by sun and shade. So if people have a woodsy garden, they're not going to buy the plants that say full sun. That's the first mistake that most gardeners make. So I mentioned we have around 100 members. We're there. Maybe not all 100, but a lot of members are there wearing name tags, and they will help. So if somebody has questions, I have a sandy soil or I have a lot of clay, people can help and say, you might want to try this plant. And some of these are bushes. These are all bushes, and these are plants. They're perennials, so they go away in the winter and then they come up again in spring. These stick around all winter.
Okay. And Susan, what kind of plants will be on sale at this actual event?
Well, I brought some samples.
Okay.
And you can see, for one thing, we put a label on them. So the label has the name of the plant. This is called golden ninebark, and it's a bush. And then underneath it says sun or mixed shade, and it flowers in spring. So you can actually see over here are some of the little flowers are just starting. But this grows to become a very big bush.
Really?
Yeah, and it's nice in a darker garden because the color is so light and sort of a lime green color. This one is called Cheyenne privet. And privets are what we often see almost as a fence. If people have a row of them and they really divide an area, it fills up and gets very tall. And this blooms as well, and you can see it's just about to have its flowers open. These pods here are the flowers. And this one is called Forsythia, and you can see the photo, it's full of yellow flowers. I love Forsythia because it blooms early spring before the leaves come out. So it just turns bright yellow, and then the flowers fade and the leaves open.
Yeah.
And all of these three are woody plants. So in the winter, they lose their leaves, but they stay intact, and next spring they send more leaves out.
Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning, Susan. We're going to get this pulled up on the screen for the viewers so they can check out this event. For more information on the River Valley Garden Club's annual plant sale, check out your screen. It's happening Saturday, May 18th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and admission is free. For more details, you can visit their website at rivervalleygardenclub.org.